Hello everyone, thanks for coming and check this video. In today's video, I'm gonna go in for the sum of the motion behavior. The basic one, I'm gonna go in for the through the like a sum of them, and we did give you the sum of the example because we need to learn a little bit about the sum of the behavior before we're going for the next level. I'm in the like a motion, and if you're going for the project, I'm in the 4K because normally I use a 4K for now because most of the video now is 4K, and I'm in the 10-second duration. Let's get started. First thing, we're gonna go in for the title and delete those one. I don't need those one. I'm gonna delete the background and just need the one group. Just want to track the art text and write it down. This is Danny from Final Cut Fusion, and that is my text. I'm gonna go in for the your convenient. I'm gonna go in and scale it up and change the size to this one. Now we're gonna go in for the drag the R1 simple rectangle, and I'm gonna drag it on here and just press this one like that. Because our timeline was there, I'm gonna drag it and press I for the extended from the beginning of the timeline. And first thing, I'm gonna go in for the one simple behavior that is aligned to going for the behavior, and one basic motion, and I'm gonna describe it aligned to for you. We're gonna go in for the, because I just want to quickly change the color of the rectangle for your their convenient. I'm gonna put it under this color. The first thing that we're gonna first behavior that we're gonna add it to here, this one, we're gonna drag our rectangle, select our rectangle, and we're gonna go in for the behavior and the basic motion. We're gonna use it align to. What's align to is, if the R text, we're gonna be align the rectangle to the text. We need to use the align to as a source because they need the object as a source. As you can see here, when I put this behavior, we're gonna go in for the choose our source for now. We're gonna drag our text to this one, and because it's above our above our text, the text is being hidden in behind the rectangle. We're gonna go in for the command left bracket to bring it down to the below the text to the text is being shown. We have a line to here, but when they move a little bit, whenever our text is being selected, and when we move the text, because we align to rectangle, a rectangle is being aligned to text. When they move the text, our rectangle is being moved with that one too. Keep it in your mind, because I don't want to like going for all of the details because it's pretty getting so complicated. And keep in your mind under this one. And when you choose align to, we have a really offset. The offset here is gonna be change the offset. If you have under going to the, for example, I'm gonna change the offset to here. When the you want to move the offset, you can see the this one is moved. You want to do this one like that, is gonna be put an offset on here. And also when you use the offset, you can use this one to choose it, but I just want it exactly in the middle. And it's really easy to do it this way, right? We're gonna put it on the play with the offset to get our best result. Now we're gonna going for change our text. We see what we're gonna get. Hi, and yeah, I'm gonna write it down. Please subscribe. Please subscribe. And when this one is happened, we have a really bad. Now we need to fix this issue because we can't publish this parameter on the final code and use it in the final code because that is so ugly. And we need to adjust this one when they write it on something on the final code. On the text, the rectangle is been extended based on the size of the text or length of the text. We're gonna go in for the select our rectangle. We're gonna go in for the behavior and the parameter and choose the link. As you can see here, that is link is really powerful and a really usable parameter that we need to learn how to use it. As you can see here, apply has a lot and they use it for the everything. We use the link for a lot of things. Keep in your mind, we learn the good relation with the link. We need to going for the apply to, going for target parameter and just going for the object and the shape, and we're gonna do it on the size. If you want to, for example, size, if you want to just apply on the width only, we can just apply on the width only, but we're gonna go in for the all, we select the all, and we're gonna go in for the forget to put it source. I just want to put a source at first. Drag our text here as a source, and we're gonna choose this one already, and we're gonna go in for the object attribute and size and the all. As you can see here, when the this one is being applied, when our text been selected, and we're gonna add something, and we, for example, I'm gonna do the something, write it down, subscribe and like. As you can see here, when the text been added to this one, the rectangle that we made it under this one been extended depend our text size. And if you want to get a lower, I just want to put a please follow me. As much as I extend our text, we have our rectangle is being extended to anything. For example, I just want to like it off. Just this is motion, and you learn from basic to advanced. Here, that is our text, and as much as we write it on anything, our rectangle is being select kind of the extended based on this one. Now we need to save it in the Final Cut Pro. Before the save it, we need to change some of the project I just want to go in for the project. And as I said to you before on the first lesson, you can change the color for this one as well. I'm gonna put it this one as a color of the text color, and this is, I'm gonna call it as a lead color. I'm gonna call it as a lead color, and we're gonna publish it on the Final Cut Pro. Before publish it, this one on the Final Cut Pro, I'm gonna do the for the like a easier or convenient for the user. I'm gonna go in for the publish the text on this one as well. We're gonna go in for the text and the publisher format, because we already published the text color already. We're gonna go in for the appearance. It already been published, right? And we're gonna go in for the format and publish the text here. The user can use it, and publish a font and the size for the easiest for the user for use this one. And we're gonna go in for the motion, that is we make a motion here, and we're gonna exactly doing same thing for that one too. Publish this one, and publish the text as well, size as well. And we're gonna press the Command S, and we're gonna go in for the Z tutorial that we made it for this purpose. And we're gonna, if you want to put use a theme, you can choose a theme as well, but I don't want to make a theme. I'm gonna call it as a text basic. I'm gonna publish it, and we're gonna go into the Final Cut Pro, and we see what we're gonna get. As you can see here, the size is being added under this one, and it's really easy, and waiting for the rendering. And we have, as is our template is being selected, we have it this one here. As you can see here, we use this one to extend our timeline. As you can see here, we need to fix this issue, right? Sorry, we have a big mistake for this purpose. You know, the problem of the motion that we selected, right, is been put it on the middle of that one. As much as the text is pretty short, and the line is gonna be going for that one, we need to fix this issue, because this one is not good for the user that's use it, as the text has been extended on here. As you can, motion is been moving with that one. We're gonna come back to the motion again. The problem of that one, because we align to the motion text to the description, right? We need to align source align, change source align to the center of the circle. We need to change a source to the circle. When change a source to the circle, we drag the circle as a source, and play with the offset, and put it on the middle exactly, and just want to put it on the feet. And we're gonna go in for our problem is being solved, and we're gonna go in for the save. Now we need to test that this one is being solved or not. Just drag it and here top of that one. As you can see here, when the our text being extended, doesn't affect our thing, right? That is the fixed issue that we need to do it for this purpose. You know, this is completely, you need to amend your mistake on the motion if you do it. So we're gonna come back to motion again, and I'm gonna going for the motion again, and tell you a couple of tips. As you know, when I'm gonna align the this one to the font, but doesn't give me the link for the font 2. The font couldn't link to the another font size, and we're gonna go in for this font size is possible, but the font is not possible to link to the put any parameter on the font. Keep in your mind, I just quickly going for the tip. On the next one, I'm gonna describe it for you more. That is for the basic thing about the motion, about the two simple behavior, about the link and the align to. Thank you so much for watching this video. If they added value to you, please smash the like button. That's the only way that you can support me. And if you like to take advantage of the free stuff, you can follow my Discord channel. I'll leave a link in the description. And subscribe to my channel. You're gonna learn a lot of things and about the motion and the Final Cut Pro that nobody tell you. See you next time, guys.